The government is intensifying efforts in combating more concerning cybersecurity threats. Mobile journalist Julie Baiza with the report.
The Cybercrime Investigation and Coordinating Center, or CICC, is preparing for emerging threats in the cybersecurity. CICC Deputy Executive Director Assistant Secretary Mary Rose Magsaysay said deepfakes will be one of the problems, especially with the upcoming 2025 elections.
Hindi pwedeng maiwasan ng paggamit. Gagamitin talaga nila and talagang hinahabol natin ang mga cybercriminals who use it because we can detect deepfakes. The government has the capability to detect deepfakes.
CICC said they are in collaboration with telcos and government agencies to crack down cybercriminals. Aside from this, the agency also announced that they have intensified the fight against online sexual abuse or exploitation of children, or OSAEC, and child sexual abuse or exploitation materials, or CSAM.
Na meron na po tayong the first in the world, OSAEC CSAM Digital Forensics Laboratory, dedicated only for the women and children mga cases.
The initiative focuses on child pornography and grooming, as some of their perpetrators are their own family members.
There are areas where there are groomers. Nag-groom sila ng mga pamilya para ipakita yung mga, alam mo na, masasela na parts ng kanilang mga anak para kumita. And ang dahilan is, hindi naman daw makukuha dahil online lang. Iba ang nangyayari sa kanya, sa utak niya, sa emosyon niya, sa mga gagawin niya sa future, parang basag na.
Recently, President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. has ordered government agencies to intensify its campaign against increasing cases of OSAEC. Palace noted that in 2016, the Philippines emerged as the center of child sex abuse materials production in the world based on the study by UNICEF. Mobile journalist Julie Baiza, We Are One News.
Oo, grabe na rin kasi nga talamak ngayon yung mga nangyayari. Iba't ibang cybersecurity concerns. You have, ayan, yung deepfake.
Yeah.
You have yung mga child pornography. Tapos you have yung mga scamming, di ba? Yung mga phishing.
Yes.
Ang dami.
Actually, if you take a look at not local statistics but worldwide statistics, a lot of the crimes perpetuated are in nature. They're from the cyberspace, di ba? Online pornography, online trafficking. The trafficking now is done. Transactions are done kasi online already.
Online, even yung selling of babies, remember?
Selling of
We
babies,
have news
even drugs,
report about
yung transaction ng drugs at bayaran ng pera, the movement is no longer physical.
Lahat.
It's no longer
Everything's
deposit online.
everything's sa
So that's why we
cyberspace.
have to be prepared already to have an online, di ba, that's what they're developing in the EU eh.
Yes.
An online cybersecurity team, di ba, parang kung meron kang sundalo, may Interpol ka that deals with crimes,
Meron ka rin
transnational.
dapat sundalo, magpupulis sa
Oo,
cyberspace.
pero cybersecurity military ang tawag nila ganon.
Yung may alam talaga sa, sa cyberspace.
And they're just on their keyboards, day in, keyboard warriors, day in, day out, protecting
At saka importante
cyberspace.
dyan, yung hindi ka reactive.
Oh,
Yung dapat
proactive.
unahan mo na kaagad yung mga scammer, yung mga, di ba, alam mo na, think ahead na. O yung mga iniisip
At saka,
nila na
not for
gagawin
anything,
sa
di ba,
cyberspace.
parang suggestion lang. Pero alam ko siguro, alam na nila yan. They should hire also some of the hackers.
But that's what they do in
Not the white
States,
hackers,
in the
ha?
US.
Yung black
black
hackers
hackers.
talaga. You hire them. Di ba, remember,
Criminal mind ang
yung
tawag.
movie ni Leonardo DiCaprio, yung true story yon, yung namimeke ng mga
Yeah,
cheque
yeah,
and
yung
financial
Catch Me If You
fraud.
Can,
They hired him, di ba, sa FBI, and he was the one who designed yung mga security features ng ginagamit natin mga cheque
Ngayon, sa cheque. Kasi before, it was easy to fake it.
And because of him, number one criminal sa financial fraud, because of his designs,
Criminal mind kasi.
criminal mind.
Ano yung gagawin nito sa feature na
So
to,
gumamit
diba?
kayo ng kriminal na gusto maging reformed, yun ang tutulong sa atin, di ba? Mga ganun bagay.
Dami na kasi talamak na.
Dami na.
Hindi na joke yung nangyayari. Di ba?
Well,
At saka, it's very alarming.
It's very
Pagdating
alarming.
dun sa mga phishing, yung mga text scamming, di ba? Lahat ng mga nananakawan ng
Simple,
pera online.
and before we move on, simple Christmas transactions lang, manamimili ng regalo, wala mang produktong dumarating.
Yeah.